Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie. Thanks to anyone who's watched any of the videos so far. If you have watched the videos so far, you'll see I've been in the sort of the death metal area of things, which makes it look like that's all I listen to. Obviously baby metal isn't death metal, but you know, it's got some woof, let's face it. We're going to go to prog rock. Didn't see that coming, did you? I have a huge wide range of musical interests, and there's a master of modern prog rock, and that's somebody called Steven Wilson. And he produced an album called The Raven That Refused to Sing. When was that? A couple of years ago. And it won awards, and it's just brilliant. But it is prog rock, and it's not prog rock for beginners. So it's full of genius musicianship. I'm going to play the pin drop. I don't know it. I've heard it. I don't know it. So this will be. It still will feel like I'm hearing it for the first time, or the second time, but with the first time being about 2 years ago. So, knowing Steven Wilson, there's still going to be some surprises in store. So, without further ado.
Truth rushes onto the sea. Dragged by the current.
That reminds me of Pink Floyd on the Wall. What do you think? Definitely.
Beginnings and endings. Love intersected. Break us apart.
I knew that was coming. normally when I do these things, I pause the song and I just waffle on for 2 minutes, and then I restart the song, and then a bit later on I'll put my finger up and I'll go and pause the song, and I'll talk, or I talk over the song to say, oh, that was a good transition, or oh, that was a, whatever, oh, metal, whatever. Yeah, Steven Wilson's music, while listening to that, I sort of almost couldn't bring myself to stop it, because it all just flows so well. It's just such feeling and melody, and I've seen him live. I saw him live with Porcupine Tree a couple of times actually. Once supporting Dream Theatre. What a gig that was! Long time ago. That was a very long time ago. But then I saw them again. I saw Porcupine Tree, and then I've seen Steven Wilson on his own. I saw him at the beginning of last year before. Time goes very quickly when you're very old. And I got tickets to see him next March, and I saw him live. And he had Marco Miniman on drums, who was just amazing. I saw a bit where he was playing and he dropped a stick, and he was still playing with one hand while he goes and fetches another stick, something that I could not play with both. And I couldn't play the drums, but it was just genius. The whole thing was amazing. And the thing about Steven Wilson's music is that if you listen to it and if you get into it, it will affect you. There's a song off, what's it called? Hand Cannot Erase, which is an unbelievable album. But there's a song called Routine off there. I'll put the link in the notes so you can watch the video that goes with Routine. I'll warn you now, have a hanky ready, because I sat watching the gig, and they played this video while the band played the song and everything. And tell you, I'm so his music it's emotional, it is complicated, it is simple, but it is everything in between, but it's emotion that just comes across in all of the, I play the drums, so I'm not a musician. That's an old joke. But I can hear everything that he's doing. You just have to sit and you just have to listen, which is why I couldn't bring myself to stop the song. I was too you're on the wave basically, and you're just like, no, don't bother me, leave me alone, I'm listening to Steven Wilson. And there are other things I could have done off that album actually. The Raven That Refused to Sing. I'm just looking at the track list here. It's got brilliant songs on, but I waffle, I talk a lot, and these, Luminol, which is just an astounding opening track for anything, it's like 12 minutes long, the song. So to be honest, I did choose the Pin Drop partly because it's shorter, but it doesn't matter. There isn't a bad song on that album. Steven Wilson. I will do other prog rock, definitely. I love prog rock. If anyone's got any suggestions for prog rock that they would like me to talk about, please suggest them. But yeah, Steven Wilson, love it. It's not exactly Flesh God Apocalypse, is it? But it doesn't need to be. Music is music. It's good. It's all about the quality. So anyway, I'll just keep going if I don't show up now. So thank you very much for listening. I'll see you later. Bye bye.